In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for the Amex Platinum Cashback Everyday Card in the UK. Whether you're keen to earn cashback on your everyday purchases or just want to take advantage of the other benefits that come with this card, this step-by-step guide will help you through the application process seamlessly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and head to the Google search page. Once there, type in American Express Platinum Cashback Everyday Credit Card and hit enter. This search will lead you to a list of results, and the page you're looking for should be one of the first that come up. When you spot the link titled Platinum Cashback Everyday Card Vertical Bar Amex UK, click on it. This will direct you to the official American Express page for this specific card. Now that you've reached the web page dedicated to the Platinum Cashback Everyday Card, your next step is to initiate the application process. Look for a clearly marked button that says Apply Now. Clicking this will get you started on your application journey. As you proceed, you might be prompted with a button that reads Get Started. Clicking this is essential, as it ensures that you're moving forward in the application process. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll find yourself at the initial stage of the application form. At this point, you will need to provide some personal details. Start by entering your email address, your legal business name if applicable, and any other essential information that is requested. Make sure all information is accurate and up to date to avoid any delays in your application process. After providing your details, take the time to carefully read through the terms and conditions. This section is crucial, as it outlines all the important details about the card's annual percentage rate, commonly known as the APR, as well as the penalty APR. If everything looks good and you agree to these terms, look for an option that allows you to check if you are pre-approved. Keep in mind that you will need to meet certain criteria to be eligible, so make sure you review any eligibility requirements as well. Once you have checked your eligibility, you're almost done. The system will guide you through the final steps. Finally, you'll see a button labeled Save and Continue. Clicking this will allow you to secure the information you've entered and advance to the latter stages of the application process. And there you have it. You've navigated through the steps of applying for the Amex Platinum Cashback Everyday Card in the UK. With these instructions, you should be able to complete your application efficiently and with confidence. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new credit card application.